and I think this is very important for
Administration of justice. The judiciary is the third arm of government, besides the legislature and cabinet. This is another doctrine of separation of powers. The judiciary promotes the rule of law and contributes to maintenance of order in society. It focuses on administering justice and resolving disputes between state and individuals.
So if the judicial officer is partial or is biased, then that cannot be called a court of law or a court of justice.
The stronger judiciary directly contributes to a more rapid growth of both small and large firms in the economy.
And that's it. Since NRM came to power in 1986, one of its core values was justice and rule of law. The judiciary derives its powers from Article 1 to 6 of the Constitution. On 19th June 2020, the Judicial Administration Act 2020 was assented to by the President to improve effective administration of justice.
The judiciary contributes to the success, to the development, to the growth of the economy of Uganda.
The 2021-2026 NRM manifesto for the judiciary emphasizes improved access to justice.
We have promised to recruit more judges and staff for the judiciary to fight case backlog and enhance access to justice.
Also online adjudication of cases, addressing corruption and computerization prosecution are part of the improved access to justice.
Because we want to make sure that the judges are engaged instead of waiting when one court has finished, then another session comes.
This increased the dispensation of justice with 133,801 cases between July 2021 to March 2022. But what's the mandate of the judiciary?
We had 328 new appointments and promotions, 91 magistrates grade 1 and 91 non-judicial staff.
With the increased case disposal between June 2021 and March 2022, the judiciary registered a case backlog of 51,358 cases.
In one financial year, to achieve this 90% is no mean achievement. We are in the final stages of construction of the Supreme Court. Construction of other courts has gone very well.
The public at times links the delay of cases to corruption.
The inspectorate, which was put in place, is going to help in checking on errant officers.
But automation of cases can address corruption.
I fully support the plans by the judiciary to automate the courts because of the obvious benefits of resolving the cases through use of improved methods technology affords.
At its inception on 1st March 2022, the Electronic Court Case Information Management System (ECMIS) registered 3,852 cases, compared to 897 registered cases in February 2022.
The court stakeholders must familiarize themselves with the use of ICT in order to meaningfully deliver justice services in the new world.
With the introduction of new technology, the court performance with ECMIS from March 2022 to May stood at 3,852 cases. Plans to extend ECMIS to other courts across the country are underway.
And in the second cluster, we have Jinja High Court, we have Jinja Chief Magistrates Court, we have Kachira Grade 1 Court, we have Bugembe Grade 1 Court, will be the Criminal Division, Buganda Road Court, Nakawa Chief Magistrates Court.
This case adjudication has come with challenges to court users.
You may file like 10 advocates at a go. You are filing into a particular system. This system is overwrapped.
There are some applications which require urgency, where you need to get a date and serve. For instance, an application for a temporary injunction.
So we are trying to sort all of this out.
The outbreak of COVID-19 led to an increase in crime rates, decongestion in prisons, and the judiciary option was pre-taking and remand.
So we have tried to put up measures to reduce on the numbers of prisoners going to prison. Some of the cases which deserve to be handled instantly they handle them instantly. Where people plead guilty, they went out to sentences.
Online handling of cases. Judiciary also introduced video conferencing.
I must say that several cases were completed during those sessions using the video link to Chitalia, close to 400 cases.
Mediation in settlement of disputes. At least 1,325 cases were disposed of through 14 pre-bargaining sessions conducted in the financial year 2021-2022.
It is a meeting. It is you to take the decision, the parties, and you take an interest in, and the decision is yours, being facilitated by a mediator.
Investment and expansion of the country's economy is one of the key issues the NRM government has focused on.
We all know the land is a crucial factor of production, and the lifeline of the people of Uganda depends mostly on agriculture and farming. These disputes should be prioritized to facilitate the people's livelihood and the development of our economy. When such disputes delay, they demotivate.
You are quite right. What the judiciary is doing is trying to address that issue.
Deborah Namamonde, Nantongo Rebecca, UBC News.